Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. My name is Judy Amit, 28 years old. I am married. My husband's name is Ronnie Kines Jr., 31 years old. We have 3 children, 1 boy and 2 girls. My father's name is Jonathan Amit and my mother's name is Luz Biminda Amit. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. I am first in the family. I am Christian. I live in Surabaya, Artilim, Zamboanga, Sibugay, Philippines. I am a high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking and cleaning. I work as domestic helper in KSA and also here in the Philippines. My main duties and responsibilities are taking care of the children and baby by giving them nutritious foods and feeding milk, changing their clothes and diaper, prioritize their health and safety, and I know how to make them happy like playing with them, tutoring basic English and math, and cooking their favorite snacks. I also do cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing clothes, marketing, and gardening. I want to work in Hong Kong because employers in Hong Kong give high salary and I want to earn to support my family here in the Philippines. And also, Hong Kong is the safest country and employers follow what's in the contract. To prospective employers, please hire me because I am kind, respectful, trustworthy, patient to the children, God-fearing, and hardworking. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.